Hi, this is Sherry Daly, and this is my bunkie in the woods, or my studio. Giving it both names, as it's going to have some sleeping quarters, but it's primarily for me to paint. I'm pretty excited, and been watching it come together. Here we go. So here's the cottage that I'm near, and we're going to be entering on that side in what looks like a doorway. This side is going to be windows. It's up a little higher than I thought, but I'm told it's in sort of a styrofoam bathtub to keep it from getting wet. So that'll be a double door in. The upstairs, one of my painting walls. Back here, there's going to be a sink. And we've got a little view out here that will be prettier at some point. There's going to be some storage. There's going to be a heater, another painting wall, and then back at the front we'll have stairs to the upstairs and a fireplace. And this will be part of my view. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Thank you.